Okay, that's the caboose. Now, where is that other tank car? I thought it said around here somewhere. Maybe 475 knows? I don't know, I'm just taking a guess.
Who are you even talking to?
Talking to myself, driver, as usual.
Keep that up. Other engines might think you're crazy.
Oh, hi, very funny. Oh, God! What the hell's that smell?
I don't know, boy. That shit's strong.
Well, whatever it is, it's fucking horrible. Hey, Annabella, do you know where's my other tank car is? Holy sky. The sky is so purple. I am so fucked up right now. What the fuck? Isabel, what the hell is happening to you? Are you okay? You don't look good. Girl, I'm peachy. So peachy. I haven't felt like this in years. Back on Norfolk, Nerf Gun and Western, I think I'm from. Nerf Gun? No, Norfolk and Western, dumbass! Oh, is that where I'm from? From the Norfolk? Yes, that's where you're from. Norfolk. Shit was wild over there. Okay. Driver!
Yeah, I know, I'm on it. Rocky! Yo, what's up? What the hell is going on with your engine? And what the hell is that smell? It reeks with fucking weed. Oh, that. You don't know that. Know what? Well, since our engine is having a struggle waking up in the morning and always feeling irritable in the morning as well, we have to use this special code that we got from the UK. Special code. That's what this shit is? Yes. It's the only way to get her up in the morning. And we're just sitting here until this thing's wore off a bit, and now she's going to be feeling up. You know what I mean? Yeah, I get what you mean, but why special coal? It reeks with weed, like Jesus Christ. Listen, I feel you, and I agree. We should not be using this in our engines, but think of it as like trying to get your cat to like be more lively and shit, you know what I'm saying? But this is not your cat. I know it's a steam engine, I know, M-Class, I know. But just think of it like that. It's kind of hard to think it like that if your engine is talking bonkers.
Speaking of bonkers, this reminds me of the time I saw my fireman without a shirt on.
What?
And I was like, boy, you are hot as hell. But then I wanted to scrap myself because it was kind of awkward between us because he was more like a brother to me, you know, but not actually my brother, so I guess it was fine. But I could. Do you think it's possible? What's possible? You know, doing the thingy thing with your own driver. No, shut up. No, shut the fuck up. No. I'm just asking a question. No! Shut up. No. We can't do that. We're trains. Locomotive. So get your head out of the gutter, please. Yeah, I feel you. I might be thinking a little too hard. My mind be just all up in the clouds. I see squares, triangles, circles, purple. That purple is a fucking shape now? Is it a shape? Okay, I can't take any more of this. And this smell, oh God, it's hitting me. Driver, please, let's go.
Yeah, I'm already working on it. Hey, Rocky, you better put that damn hopper car filled with weed shit or whatever it's called away into the shed or whatever. Because if the cops come around, I am not looking forward to going down with you guys. Oh, don't worry about it. We already planned that. We gonna hide it. Don't worry. Well, that was something.
Oh yeah, that was something, alright. Real something.
What are you talking about?
You see Annabella all the way down that far end of the yard?
Yeah?
Yeah? They're using special coal on her. Oh, so that's where that smell is coming from.
Yeah, I'm just throwing that shit over here. God damn, that's strong.
Yeah, I can't say I'm surprised, because she looks like a stoner. And also, 290, where the fuck have you been? Huh? I haven't seen your ass here in weeks. Where the fuck have you been, bro? Oh yeah, I've been at places and meeting new friends that may or may not be some new recruits on this railroad. So we're having some new extra engines here. Yeah, basically. 2 Hudsons. No, actually 3 Hudsons. A Mohawk, I think. And, a, Chinese Mikado?
I'm still questioning that. Why do we need a Chinese Mikado?
I don't know. I guess Miss Skin likes, I guess she likes Chinese locomotives? I don't know, but that's just a guess. Nice. Keep a note about that the next time you come back. But right now, I gotta look for my tank car. But you already got a tank car. No, another one. There's another one I said around here.
Isn't it that one and that shit over there?
What should it? Oh, yep. I forgot I said it there. God damn it. But thanks, Pete. Really appreciate it. I'll see you guys later.
I'll see you.
Bye. But speaking of that, I gotta get going too. I gotta meet Jordan. I mean, one of the Hudsons.
Did you say Jordan?
No, you're tweaking.
No, I heard you say Jordan. Is that one of the Hudson's names?
Maybe. I don't know. Got it. I don't know. Bye.
Wait a minute. Who is Jordan now? Who is Jordan? Who is... Oh, you know what? Forget it. Don't worry about it. This shit sucks. I can't even get a simple answer. I don't know what I'm supposed to do now. I guess I'm gonna just go get some more water in the meantime. What the... What was that? Wait a minute! Oh no, I remember that whistle! It's the AC Mouthface Man! Oh god, no!
I don't really think that this is a good idea.
Don't try to stop me now. Don't do it. I just want to talk to him. 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 I just want to. Shh. I just want to talk to him.
But I don't.
Okay.
But he's.
All right.
Just let me speak.
Okay. Alright. The hell do you guys want from me now? I think you know what I want from you. You're not turning off my water heater for enough. I need this. Come on, man. You don't really need that on part of your mouth. We're just gonna snag it up with a few ropes and chains and put it on top of your head. We are not turning me into one of those, what, Rio Grande engines? No, I'm not doing that. Come on. Even 1223 agrees. Do you agree?
No, not really. He needs that.
You see, she thinks it's a good idea.
Okay.
You're not even letting her speak, you asshole. I am letting her speak. I just know what's on her mind. That's why I'm just intruding a little bit. You're not a goddamn mind reader. Anyways, we finna get started on that either today, tomorrow. But in my personal opinion, I think we should get started today. We ain't finna get started, period. And why not? So, we're only gonna sit here to help you out with that so you can speak properly so you're not sound like you're muffled behind that damn water heater. But I need this on this part of my face, asshole. So no, we're not doing that. Oh yes, the hell we are. You will sit here comfortably. I'm gonna go get the ropes, and 1223 will go get the chains. 1223, you know your job. Go do your thing. I'm gonna go do my thing.
But I don't. Okay, this is a terrible ass idea. He doesn't need his water heater removed, and I don't think it's necessary to just rip it off. Can we just please just go
Oh
do
my
something?
god, you nagging fucking bitch. I am sick of your shit. I am just trying to help a dog out, alright?
That's not...
And you're just fucking stopping me from helping other engines out.
That's not how you help.
I don't give a fuck. You just being a fucking square right now. You in or you out? If you're out, you might as well go fuck off somewhere. So I highly suggest you pick wisely.
What the fuck? Hey, you don't even need to listen to it, bro. Because this kind of energy, you don't even need to put up with his shit. Why can't you just stand up for yourself?
I don't know. I just don't want to be known as a nerd anymore. I want to elevate. I want to be known as the cool American type.
Exactly. And this is the only way you gonna do it, bitch. So you either in or you out.
Come on, man. You don't even need to do this shit. This shit is unfucking necessary.
I'm sorry, Pete.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
You don't have to listen to me.
I'm sorry. I just want to elevate. I'm sorry.
Oh, no, fuck this shit. None of you listen to me. You fucking edit this bitch.
Oh, no, you don't. Come on, 1223. We got a Yellowstone to catch now.
Oh, shit. What have I done? Oh, Pete, please. We can talk about this.
Dude, I don't talk about this. I want to dumb shit me. This is gonna happen. Fuck all y'all. Somebody help me.
Did Pete get caught? No, not really. Will he be caught in the future? Probably not, but we'll have to wait and see.